This is the AI News Flash for April 18, 6 a.m. UTC. First up, Google has officially released Auto-Diagnose, an LLM-based system that automatically diagnoses integration test failures at massive scale. Built on Gemini 2.5 Flash without fine-tuning, it has been in production since May 2025. So far, it has processed 52,635 distinct failing tests, 224,782 executions, and served 22,962 developers. Root cause accuracy hit 90.14% on manual evaluation, with 84.3% of reviewers tagging its reports as please fix. The helpfulness ratio reached 62.96%, and not helpful stayed at just 5.8%, ranking 14th of 370 internal tools. Typical run used about 110,000 input tokens and 6,000 output tokens, with P50 latency of 56 seconds. This marks a major step in applying agentic AI to enterprise software engineering workflows. Next, Stripe and Airwallex, once close to a merger, are now openly going after each other in a payments showdown. Stripe originally tried to acquire Airwallex for $1.2 billion when Airwallex had just $2 million in annualized revenue. A 600 times multiple, founder Jack Zhang accepted, then walked away after returning to Melbourne. Today, Stripe is valued at $159 billion and processed $1.9 trillion in payment volume in 2025. Airwallex is at $8 billion, growing 85% year over year with $1.3 billion in annualized revenue. Airwallex holds roughly 90 financial licenses across 50 markets, nearly double Stripe's estimated 50. As Stripe expands globally and Airwallex pushes into the US, direct competition in the agentic commerce era is intensifying. Third story. The AI data center storage race is splitting Western Digital and Seagate, and investors are watching closely. Western Digital posted 25.2% quarterly revenue growth and 28.1% over the last 12 months. Seagate trailed at 21.5% quarterly and 25.2% LTM. Operating margins favor Western Digital at 27.9% versus Seagate's 25.6%. Price to EBIT is 42.4 for WDC against 45.9 for STX, making Western Digital cheaper on valuation. The 3-year stock returns. Western Digital up 1,289%, Seagate up 823%. Seagate surged 35% over the past month, but fundamentals favor Western Digital as AI data centers drive nearline HDD demand to record levels. Fourth story, the New York Times has exposed hundreds of fake pro-Trump AI avatars spreading across social media platforms. AI-generated fake influencers are surging on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube in what appears to be a coordinated campaign targeting conservative voters ahead of the 2026 midterms. Attribution remains unclear. It could be a paid content farm, a foreign influence operation, or an experiment, and researchers could not determine the origin. Notably, no equivalent left-leaning network was found. With AI-generated deepfakes and avatar networks. Now, a frontline threat to democratic discourse, platform moderation, and regulatory response have become urgent priorities. That's all for this AI News Flash.